Gunman who was shot dead after firing at a police helicopter. Police say neighbors in Austin called 911 on Saturday night to report that 27-year-old Sawyer Flatch was shooting out streetlights. A police helicopter was sent to investigate, and Flatch repeatedly fired at that, too.
It's hard to understand what goes through people's minds when they start shooting up police helicopters and shooting in heavily populated neighborhoods like this.
Police say Flatch fired at the chopper for about a half an hour, hitting an aircraft rotor blade at least once. A police officer on the ground shot and killed him. Authorities say they recovered pistols, rifles, and shotguns apparently belonging to the gunman. Fletch's family released a statement saying he was a loving father to 2 girls. Neighbors described him the same way.
Yeah, we can't even believe it. I can't believe he's dead.
The helicopter landed safely. Police are trying to determine a motive in the shooting. Sandy Kozel.